Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix unable to activate Peacock Premium account activation error troubleshooting. Fix 1. Fixes for provider partner activations, for example Xfinity Instacart. First, check eligibility. As free Peacock perks have been phased out by many providers, such as end of free Xfinity tires. Then double-check your provider dashboard to confirm your subscription is still active and includes Peacock. Next, relink your account. Log into your provider account, for example Xfinity, Spectrum, or Instacart, and then navigate to the Rewards, Services, or Partnerships tab, and follow the prompt to activate or relink Peacock to ensure the promotion or billing correctly applies to your Peacock account. Next, use the right login. When activating through a partner, ensure you log in using your existing Peacock credentials, as creating a new account rather than linking your existing account is the most common reason for activation failures. Fix 2. Fixes for TV and device codes. For smart TVs, consoles, streaming sticks. First, re-enter the activation code. If your code isn't working, go back to the device and back out to the main menu. Then try to sign in again to generate a brand new 6-digit code. Next, use the correct URL. Make sure you are navigating specifically to Peacock Activate on a web browser, like your phone or computer, and entering the code exactly as it appears. Next is to scan the QR code. If you are having trouble with manual code entry, use your smartphone camera to scan the QR code displayed on your TV screen for automatic authentication. Fix 3. General troubleshooting for activation error messages. First is to clear cache and app data. If you see an error loop, clear the cache and cookies on your web browser or clear the app data cache on your smart TV or streaming device. Next is to reinstall the application. Uninstall the Peacock app from your device and restart your device and then reinstall the app from your device app store. Or check service outages. Occasionally, backend server issues cause activation failures. Check social media updates or platforms like Down Detector to see if there is a regional Peacock service outage. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.